Please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Maserati. This is the Levante and it's a year model 2017. If you have a rough idle, there is some preventive maintenance you can do it yourself, like cleaning up the filter, or if the filters are bad, you can replace with the new one, or cleaning up the mass flow sensor. So those are the things you can do it, and if you have a rough idle, that will help to fix the problem. Let's open the hood. I will show you how to clean your engine air filter. Let's get started. So the first step will be pop open the hood. So these are the air filter, located one here, driver side, and one on the passenger side. In order to open it, there is one clip, two clip, and one clip on this side. So altogether 3 clips. Straight head screw down and just pop it, just like this. And one is right there. And this is tubing. And in order to open it, you just stick it out. These are the 2 tabs. You lift from this end and you press it. Just like that. And it will open up. And this is the filter. So if we take out the filter, if you see the dirt, we can vacuum it and we can clean it. So the mass flow sensor is there and you can clean with the cleaner. Those are the things you can do it. I have a change of air filter earlier, so I just wanted to share with you, these are the things you can do it. And the same thing, you can do it on this side, removing the 3 clips, one on this side, one on the side, and one on the back. And you lift and press it, and then you pull it. So it will come out. Take out the air filter, and if there is any dirt, I'm living the place that has a lot of trees, so if you have leaves, so that's a good idea to clean it. That's how it's easy. Couple minutes you can clean your air filter, or you can replace the new filter on your Levante 2017. If you found this video too helpful, like always, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye. Insert it. Make sure it's seated. The clamps. So clean it on a routinely basis, and you will solve your problem.